Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. We are doing our hair again. This is a kinky curly wig, but it has kinky edges. These are what the kinky edges on this wig looks like. I think I'm gonna trim a little bit of the edges. Just a little slither of that. Because y'all know I have a little head, so I'm just trimming off some of that lace. I'm just taking some of that powder foundation and applying it to the lace so that it'll blend in with our skin. This wig also has combs in it. It has this silicone grip. It also has an adjustable drawstring in the back and then an adjustable band that I'm going to put back in the wig. Alright. And my hair is just in like this low ponytail. I'm actually going to put a wig cap on. Just get my hair out of the way. Doesn't slide back. Okay, I am going to see what we can do about these edges. I think I'm gonna get rid of the ones like directly in the middle. I just kind of pull those. Yeah. And I'm just gonna utilize the ones on the side. Yeah, like so. Just right here to tack this lace down. Just right there. And I'm gonna go in. I kind of like to let it dry just a little bit, and then I go in with my wig band and kind of let that dry up a little bit. Okay, so yeah, I don't leave that on too long because first of all, we just want it to dry and we just want to be able to tame the edges. So I am going to go in with my handy dandy foam for the edges since they are curly already, and just keep with the naturalness of them. It is a bunch of them though, so I might trim them a little bit. They are kind of long, so just trim it. Yeah. I'm not trying to do too much here. That's all I'm gonna do with that. Kinky edges. That's all I'm gonna do with that. I'm gonna add a little concealer down the part since I have on a black stocking cap underneath it. Voila. Just a little definition for the part. I have a little bit of water and conditioner in this. And kind of like clump the curl together, if that makes any sense. Really cute. This with the hair kind of frizzy right here. Cute, cute. If you didn't want to wear like a middle part, you can totally do like a little flippy over situation, and because the edges are curly, it just blends in with my, you know, low hairline. So that's actually perfect. If you didn't want a part, you can totally flip the hair over any side actually. I kind of like this side better. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. Is it too much hiked up? Yeah. Yeah, like this. A cute little flip over situation. Really cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit. I'll be sure to list all of Ashimary's hair info in the description box for you guys. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.